Welcome. If you want to enter one-hand mode in your Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, for the first you have to go for the settings. After that, tap on the search bar and type here one-handed mode. Let's go for the one-handed mode from the advanced features. Let's tap right here, and we have to activate this one-handed mode for the first, and then we can select the method how we can enter it. But I'm going to take the button. It's very easy. So let's tap double 2 times on the home button. And as you can see, here we are in the one-handed mode. We can also get it on the left side by tapping here. And right now, let's make it one more time. And right now, as you can see, we can easily work in the whole screen with our one hand. And of course, we can just close it by tapping on the R and outside. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.